Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to turn on dark mode on Google Chrome. Sometimes we have to work at night and the white background is very disturbing for our eyes, so let's do it. Go to Google Chrome, then click on this three dot menu of Google Chrome. Now click on more tools, then go to extensions. After going to extension, click on this three dot menu again. Now go to the bottom and here you can see the Open Chrome Web Store. Click on this. After that, go to the theme, and my recommendation is, if you want pure black, search for just black. I personally use this theme. It is very nice. Go down, here is just black. You can see why I am praising this theme. And now click on this add to Chrome option. Now check this out. You can see our whole Chrome is turned into black. Now I'm going to Google search. It's black. So guys, that's it for today, and if this video helped you a little bit, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.